Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, all the students of language, linguistics, and literature. It's our lecture number 4, unit 4 of the pragmatics, and we are going to discuss uh, Gratian pragmatics, cooperation, maxims, and implicature. Gratian pragmatic helps us understand how people communicate, कि लोग कैसे communicate करते हैं in real life situation. People do not always say exactly what they mean. अक्सर लोग ऐसा ही नहीं कहते जो उनका मतलब होता है. Sometimes they give a simple statement. Simple statement कभी कभी लोग देते हैं, but the listener understands an extra meaning. लेकिन listener जो है वो extra meaning समझ जाता है from it. is say for example, if someone asks, Are you coming to the party? क्या पार्टी में आ रहे हैं? And the answer is, I have an exam tomorrow. कि मेरा तो कल एग्जाम है. The person probably means, तो इस बंदे का मतलब हो सकता है that they will not come, कि वो कल नहीं आएंगे. H.P. Grice explained this through cooperative principle. 4 conversational maxims के थ्रू, कोऑपरेटिव प्रिंसिपल के थ्रू एंड इम्प्लीकेचर के थ्रू. द 4 मैक्सिम, जो 4 जो रूल्स हैं, जो गाइडलाइंस हैं, उनमें पहली क्वांटिटी, दूसरी क्वालिटी, तीसरी रिलेशन और चौथी मैनर की है. दीज आइडियाज हेल्प्स अस These ideas help us understand both what people say, लोग क्या कहते हैं, and what they actually mean. H.P. Grice cooperative principle. H.P. Grice का जो cooperative principle है means that people normally try to make their conversation useful. कि लोग अक्सर जो है अपनी conversation को useful बनाते हैं and easy to understand. He explained it through 4 maxim. The maxim of quantity means giving enough information but not unnecessary information. The maxim of quality, तो जो क्वालिटी का जो मैक्सिम है, जो रूल है, इसका मतलब है गिविंग ट्रू इंफॉर्मेशन एंड हैविंग अ गुड reason for what we say. The maxim of relation means staying relevant to the topic. The maxim of manner means speaking clearly, clear बात करना, briefly and in an orderly way. These maxims help people communicate effectively, but they are not strict rules. ये strict rule नहीं है. People may sometime ignore or break them. लोग इनको ignore कर देते हैं, break कर देते हैं for different reason. Implicature क्या है जी? Implicature mean an extra meaning that the listener understand, जो listener समझता है from a speaker words, although the speaker does not say it directly. अगरचे स्पीकर डायरेक्टली नहीं करता, पीपल यूज द सिचुएशन एंड कॉन्टेक्स्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड. लोग सियाको सबाक और सिचुएशन का इस्तेमाल करते हैं और जो हिडन मीनिंग्स हैं उसको अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ अ टीचर आस्क, डिड यू लाइक द बुक, एंड द स्टूडेंट सेज the pictures were very nice, the teacher may understand that the student did not really like the book. Grice called this conversational implicature. इस चीज को वो कन्वर्सेशनल इम्प्लीकेचर कहता है. इट शोज दैट कम्युनिकेशन डिपेंड्स नॉट ओनली ऑन वर्ड्स बट आल्सो ऑन कॉन्टेक्स्ट. जो कम्युनिकेशन का जो नॉलेज होता है, कम्युनिकेशन जो होता है, वो ना सिर्फ वर्ड्स पर बल्कि कॉन्टेक्स्ट पर डिपेंड करता है, नॉलेज पर एंड द स्पीकर इंटेंशन. Sometimes a speaker deliberately, कभी कभी स्पीकर जानबूझकर does not follow a maxim, वो maxim को follow नहीं करता. इसको हम floating a maxim कहते हैं. The speaker expects, तवक्को करता है स्पीकर listener से to notice this and understand an extra meaning. Floating is often used for humor, irony and creativity. For example, saying I have told you a million times, कि मैंने आपको ये बात मिलियन टाइम कही है, doesn't mean exactly 1 million time. It means I have told you many time. Similarly, saying it was the easiest exam in the world, कि ये तो दुनिया में सबसे आसान तरीन इम्तिहान था. After a very difficult exam may mean that the exam was extremely difficult. Flouting is common in jokes, advertisements, film, literature, and daily conversation. People do not always follow the cooperative principle. There are different types of non-observance. Violation means secretly breaking a maxim. के सीक्रेट तरीके से मैक्सिम को, रूल को, गाइडलाइन को ब्रेक कर देना, टू मिसलीड समवन, किसी को मिसलीड करने के लिए. Flouting mean openly breaking the maxim to create another meaning. Infringing happens when a person cannot follow a maxim. जब एक बंदा maxim पर अमल नहीं करता because of the poor language ability, nervousness, fear and lack of knowledge. Opting out का मतलब है openly refusing, खुलेआम refuse कर देना to give information, such as saying I cannot tell you. Suspension mean that a maxim may not normally apply in a particular culture or social situation. The cooperative principle is useful, but it has some limitations. People are not always cooperative. They may lie, hide information, or change the topic. Communication can also be different in different culture. Some cultures prefer direct speech, while other prefer indirect speech. कुछ direct speech को prefer करते हैं, कुछ indirect speech को. Communication is also affected by relationships, emotions, social status, power, age and situation. Grice की जो original theory है mainly focused on spoken conversation, while people today also communicate through social media, emails, text messages and online classes. Therefore, Grice theory is useful guideline, but it cannot explain every part of human communication. Grice pragmatics has many applications. Grice की जो pragmatics है इसके बहुत सारे इस्तेमालात हैं. It helps us understand everyday conversation, literature, education, advertisement, political speeches, film, social media, interviews, and business communication. In literature, it helps us understand irony, तंज को, humor को, mizah को, and hidden meaning. In advertising, it helps us understand messages that are suggested, जो सजेस्ट करते हैं, rather than directly stated. डायरेक्टली कुछ बयान करने के. इन ट्रांसलेशन इट हेल्प्स ट्रांसलेटर्स, ये ट्रांसलेटर को हेल्प करता है अंडरस्टैंड द स्पीकर्स इंटेंडेड मीनिंग. स्पीकर के जो वो मीनिंग इंटेंड कर रहा होता है, इंस्टेड ऑफ ट्रांसलेटिंग ओनली इंडिविजुअल वर्ड्स. दस ग्राइस थेरी इज यूजफुल. ग्राइस की थेरी जो है बड़ी फायदेमंद है इन मैनी एरियाज वेयर पीपल कम्युनिकेट डायरेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट मीनिंग. There are many possible research areas in Grice pragmatics. Researchers can study implicature and conversational maxim in digital communication, such as WhatsApp के through, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and emails. They can also study differences, वो जो फर्क है उसको स्टडी कर सकते हैं between languages, culture. Other areas include second language learning, children understanding of indirect meaning, and communication with human and artificial intelligence. Researchers can also study implicature in political speeches, advertisements, film, classrooms, medical communication, and social media. Grice pragmatics helps us understand how people communicate, कि लोग कैसे communicate करते हैं, both direct and hidden meaning. The cooperative principle and the four maxim, quantity, quality, relation, manner, ये चारों जो हैं explain करते हैं normal communication. However, people may sometimes break or ignore these maxims for different reasons. Implicature is especially important. Implicature बहुत important है because it shows that meaning of communication is not always limited to the words that are spoken. Grice pragmatic is therefore an important way. Grice की pragmatic एक important तरीका है to understand, समझने का, the difference between what is said and what is meant, कि क्या कहा जाता है और मतलब क्या होता है. So student, that was our unit number 4, long question of pragmatic. Grice की जो pragmatic है और उसका cooperation, maxim और implicature, इसको हमने डिटेल्ड और easiest way में हमने स्टडी किया. I'm sure that you will understand each and everything in the lecture. I request all the students who have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe it, like the video and give your personal opinion about the lecture. Thank you very much.